Come test drive the 2015 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.